Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use an animation gizmo part 2 because it got recently updated like 2 months ago. So we are going to show you how to use it now. Just ignore some of those inventions. Oh, there's the animation. Alright. We'll talk about some of my inventions. So now it's a lot different. So you have to actually click on animation now, and actually it works a lot different now. I'm going to get the Rec Room player, or I can just get my Gore model. There's my Gore model. You have it. It lags out the game a little bit when I spawn it in. But this is the thing I'll show you how to animate. You can just select it all like this. Even though this will probably lag my game, never mind. So then you want to press add. I'm just going to make a breathing animation. Or up and down animation. But this is animated. And that's how you use it now. But by the way, the speed is like kind of broken. Go watch part 1 if you want to see like some of the settings, but I'll just show you them anyways. Stop at end, stop at start, allow holding, ping pong or loop mode, that's the playback mode, and just the unimportant stuff. Goodbye, the video ended.